of the UPND and our supporters across the country that we are in a battle now. We are dealing with criminals now who don't want to see UPND to participate in the next election. That's why Edgar Chagwa Lungu has declared himself several times that he will rule this country up to 2026. And let's not take him as a joke, he means it. No matter how statement will come up from Chipampe, the issue is Edgar Chagwa Lungu has declared himself as a president already. Now, I want to make it very clear to the ECZ and the Chulu, because these are the people helping him. That's why today he can speak whatever he wants to do. But again, I want to remind you, Zambian people, there was a serious allegation against Edgar Chagwa Lungu supporting a label in Rwanda. I want to remind you, Zambian people, those allegations are very serious, because what is happening in our country with the use of the UPND, we are believing that for sure those allegations are true. Because Edgar Chagwa Lungu has never disputed those allegations on serious matters, even when he was opening parliament. The allegation, the rumors which we have and information we have, what he wants to do in Southern Province, Western Province, Northwest Southern Copper Belt, it tells that the man does not mean well to this country. He wants to see bloodshed. That's why today, the PF can go and machete Zambian people, UPND youths, even vehicles, no police officer will go and arrest. The reason is very simple, because those directions were given by Kanganja. When UPN members are being brutalized, don't go and arrest the PF. And this is very clear. Now I want to hold Edgar Chagwa Lungu. If you want to call early election, continue with that pass. Continue the same pass. You are a ruler, but I want to tell a leader, the Zambian people are still waiting for a leader who's supposed to lead this nation and serve the nation, which is Hakainde Hichilema. I want to appeal to you as you're conscious for Edgar Chagwa Lungu. This time, can you calm down and let's do what is right as a nation? It's very easy to disturb the peace of this country. You have tried many times, some of us have already killed us. You know, the time of treason, you killed us that day. That much you know. And for us, we don't fear anything, because this is our country. We would rather die for doing what is right. We would rather be arrested by doing it. The issue of Southern Province, just go and do your job there. And I want to appeal to Eddie Goa. Eddie Goa, your colleague today, cannot maneuver anyhow. And it's time today I tell the police, with the use of the UPND now, we are going to capture that criminal who killed Norris Banda on our own. I want to tell you, when was killed, it was not the police who arrested those who killed Crazy Man. It was us, the UPND. Now I want to appeal to you the use of UPND here in Osaka. The criminal is known. We know him. It is time we capture him now. It is time we capture that criminal, we get him also. It's not fair that every time we're being killed, we are being butchered. They are even trying by all means to bring now fake charges on us and to our leaders, UPND. And then we are watching. When we capture that criminal in the city, I'm telling you, things will come down now. It is time. Let's capture the criminal. Is not where he's staying with his family. Let's capture the criminal. The way we do to those who killed the Crazy Man. We did that as a youth. So we have that power. It is time we capture that criminal. And I'm appealing to Ed Goa, my brother, you speak to Edgar Chagwa Lungu every day. I know this and you know that. I'm telling you, don't cause trouble. The day of treason, you were part of those people beating us there. You stop now. I've been very quiet on you, but I'm appealing to you, you stop. The issue of Southern Province, Edgar, just go there. Whatever happens to you there, it has nothing to do with UPND. I want to tell you, there's nothing to do with the HH. You sit down every day planning evil things. In the extent of even now trying to get his business. What kind of a people are you? You are so evil. What kind of people are you? Every time you just talk about evil things about among your citizens. Solve the problems of the Zambian people. Solve the problem of the youth of this country. Solve the problem of the women. That's what we want to see from you. Then every time looking forward on your PND. We are telling you, Edgar Lungu, if you want any election, continue the same path. You bought those armed guns to us as UPND. Kampyongo, you are so proud. Tabagule Mamoto by UPND. Let it work now, if that's what you want. We can cause havoc in this country, all of us, if that's what we want. When we sit down, trying to be so calm and peaceful, we are not crybabies. We don't want to destroy this country because we love it. But because we have stolen with the same issue of printing money as now you're giving anybody, you think now power now it is in your head, you can do whatever you want to do. I'm appealing to your conscience, the PF members across the country. Let's not destroy this country. I don't take the UPND for granted. This is the biggest political party. I'm appealing to you. Where we are today, the system are hungry and are angry. Anything you do to Hakainde Hichilema and the UPND, there will be havoc in this country. I know you have been saying, no, the UPN can go, not go on the street, but I want to tell you that we are ready. We gave you Kajongo last time in the intercity. We gave you Kajongo. That was just a demonstration. We can unleash all our youth across the country until the soldiers come to stop it. But we don't want that. So just go to Southern Province, do whatever you want to do, and then come back. Go to Western Province, do whatever you want to do, because you are a sitting president. But the issue here that don't misuse your power on your own citizens. That's why I'm reminding you, Zambian people, that those allegations against Iranian Nebu, you should get it serious now. And for us, you have to believe that that man for sure is a militia now. We are believing because if you are planning evil things against your citizens, what are you going to call you? When other people are busy now accusing you because the way you are doing things. Even some of us, we said maybe it's a lie, but the way now you are going in the road, we can say the man is a wrong person.